Hello and welcome everyone to our special episode of Walk the Talk. So here we are not sitting in the studio and talking about anything. Here we are outside and having a thought about our future. So our topic is technology making us less human? So here we have Gauri Agarwal. Hello Gauri, how are you doing?
Hi Sneha, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm also doing great. So everybody wants to know what's your opinion on this.
Right. So for a minute, I want our audience to just close their eyes and think about it. Right in the morning, what's the first thing they are going for as they wake up?
Phone.
Exactly. Is it not your phone? I mean, with the small, just opened eyes and in the dim room, are we not all just finding our phone to look, to endlessly just scroll, at least for a few minutes in the morning, and then start our day?
Yes, I totally agree, Gauri. The first thing we grab is our phone in the morning. So don't you think it's necessary for our day-to-day life?
I mean, with the lifestyle we have now, I totally agree that it's very important to be available all the time and to be able to answer all your pending work. And even, I mean, look at all the emails you've received over the night. I totally get it. But all I'm talking about is it not necessary or even important to just have a few moments in the morning just to ourselves and be relaxed and be peaceful and have a slow, nice morning? I mean, technology is just like a mirror for us.
Oh, you just mentioned like technology is just showing us mirror to us, right? So what do you mean by it?
So, what I mean by this is technology is a mirror that is actually not reflecting what it should, but what we want the mirror to reflect. So, like I mean, for example, take any social media. The social media is not definite surely showing us what the person actually himself is. You never know whoever has posted the posts if they are even true or not. So I mean, in that context, the social media and everything are a mirror for us because they are showing us our parts of us, but not definitely what we wanted.
Yes, I totally love the contrast. So can you share something about like sharing and friendship in nowadays and back that days?
Oh, definitely. So, in the previous times, you know how friendships used to be, all our chuddy buddies and all the friend groups we had, who would actually know how we have been, how much we have spent time together, the laughs, the cries, everyone there through the thick and thin. But now, friends actually just mean what we have online on our social media apps. Without even actually knowing their faces, we call them our friends. And even, I mean, for sharing used to be with everyone sitting around, maybe sharing the food and sharing memories. But now sharing is just taking a post and sending it to your friend and that friend again, which you do not know if he or she is actually even there.
Yes. So, fair enough. I really liked it. But you're telling that technology is a bad guy, or you're thinking about something else?
No, Sneha, I would not call it a bad guy because I mean, for everything we have pros as well as cons. Technology is not a bad guy, but it is only harmful if we do not know how to use it right. Our over dependence on technology is what is making it a bad person. If humans learn how to be able to use it properly, it's definitely very handy. I mean, technology is the one which is supposed to make us connect to people faster, be there for everyone, even make us do good and great things which could not be done without technology being present.
Yes. So, to summarize this whole context, can you just explain it in just one sentence?
That's a very good question, and I think all I would like to say is the choice of bad and good is not in technology's hands but in ours. It is us who has to decide how we want to use the technology, because after all, it is us who has even made it and who are going to be using it for good as well as bad.
Okay, it was really nice and insightful thought about is future not is future is making us less human. Is technology making us less human? Thank you so much, Gauri Agarwal. Thank you so much. It was lovely having session with you.
Thank you so much.